Hello everyone. Today we introduce you to Rev Cheyenne, a premium leather bag for all Scout 2022 up Indian Chief and all Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 models. Black buckles and black rivets, along with 4 mm thick high tea leather, provide a futuristic look and grant the quality that makes our saddlebags so popular. Fidlock magnetic buckles grant a fast loading experience, while regular buckles allow to register the straps accordingly to your loading needs. This bag can be installed on different models thanks to hard mount or detachable installation kits that are always included and that are tailored for the motorcycle of destination. Rev Cheyenne is equipped with an iron back panel that allows for a sleek installation while granting the proper support in every condition. Compatibility is the key. This bag can be easily installed on all motorcycle models of destination without relocating the turn signals. Thanks to its looks and to its ease of use, Rev Cheyenne is bound to become your favorite riding companion.